of all, our director, Dr. Abhinav Singh, who motivated all of us to have a series like webinars for all the students as faculties too, and along the entire team HR who work for this webinar itself. So, definitely, without wasting my time, I would like to introduce Mr. Chintan, who is basically a manager HR in GSFC. He is having a vast experience dealing with HR issues and operations too. And he specifically love to interact with management students specifically. And he always try to interact more and more with them. So I just give him a team that we want to talk regarding the new phase of HR, and he said I'm okay with it. So definitely I will not take much time. I will hand over to Mr. Chintan.
Yes. Hello everyone. Am I audible now, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay, I'll just move to the presentation mode.
sure.
Yep. Yeah. So, hello everyone. I'm Chintan. So, basically today the situation calls for a bigger role of HR. Everyone is aware. I think if someone has work in the field of HR part time or short of, they would be understanding the situation and what impact HR can make. So now basically I'll start with the presentation rather than like just going on and on, because there are lots of things which we can talk just now, but I'll like to stick to the topic itself. So hello everyone, Chintan Panchal. I think Chandni has already given my good introduction. So in case you want to catch up with me, you can call, join me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and I'll answer your queries anytime. Okay, the topic for is new phase of HR. I had just added the COVID-19 impact. Why the new phase is to be regenerated in HR? That's the big reason is COVID. Okay, we are going to hear COVID and Corona like two babies of the world now, and how HR is going to deal with it. Now I'll just show you the small video. It's like what the situation is and how it started. So just a small video. Yeah. Okay, so there was a short video about not what the position we are in and what's the reason behind it. Anyways, we'll go move forward with the present scenario, then the impact of the scenario. What is the HR role for no what is in for us, and what would be the future, and what will be the new normal that we are going to see. Okay, in my presentation, you are going to see lots of pictures which would have some other meaning. Yeah, it would be more fun if you can know like at the end you can just conclude the all the cartoons that I'm putting. Okay, nothing we do is more important than hiring people. At the end of the day, you bet on people, not strategies. So everything is important, but most important are the people. So the painful question lockdown is bringing into force. Now, like as lockdown becomes the new normal, shelter in place and stay at home orders are rolled out, extended across the globe. The way we work have shifted and transformed abruptly. Of course, the biggest and the most painful question that COVID-19 has brought to the fore for the majority of the business has been how to navigate the cash flow constraint with limited and no revenue streams. As painful as this question is, it forces other issues to follow, and it answers we find a new way of operating and more agile work models. The new work from home arrangement has stripped back like organization structure to the fundamentals. Here are some of the questions. Now like what are the questions that like this has made us to think about. I'll just talk in terms of HR just now, no business strategies. Now, which roles are adding value to the business? Work from home has cast a light on how inessential some roles are to the company. If someone have worked into public sector or seen the setup, you would understand this question. When everyone in the office, it's easy to slip under the radar. Now, however, it's obvious when team members don't have enough to do. How do we address the issue sensibly, but sensibly to achieve the best possible outcome? Is this process needed at all? In many offices or in like public sectors, private sectors, there are many processes which are done. Idhar jao, idhar jao. If you have seen the how the government structure works, there are many processes which are not needed, but it is there. And similarly, some process cannot be done from home. Yet there has been no negative impact from the absence of executing them. This provides an opportunity to question again, streamline and simplify. We need to ask ourselves, why are we doing this? Is it adding to our customers? Do we need an office for everyone? Okay, there are many this is a big questions that go a big question that is going to be answered by many of the big companies who really feel that is it necessary to have offices as things are going online. Companies are now noting that some roles are most efficient working from home. After the lockdown, some of those roles may continue to work from home. This is going to be true for many of the IT companies who has a big infrastructure and they are going to save lots of money through it. Why does this rule need to be full time? Furthermore, do some of these roles require to be full time employees? Can some of these roles become gig? Maybe they can think of getting through it contracted or no like outsource it fully. Does our pay structure make business sense? Finally, our organization are also relooking at their compensation, remuneration strategies, and models. Yes, of course they are because they are no like people for now companies would not directly get into the getting the people out from the company. They will think on rearranging it rather to save of course money as well and rationalize the like optimum utilization of the resources, especially the human resources. There is a need to evaluate the business impact and contribution of every role. There is also an appreciation that some functions may not need a 5 working day arrangement. All these considerations will of course impact the way organization look at it, look to pay it. Okay, our role as business and talent leader is to anticipate these questions and take them head on. So these are the few questions that have been questioned and answered uh, by many of the companies, and they are looking forward to it. How will COVID impact HR? Okay, when such things happen, people would just think HR कुछ काम कर रहा है, though they are planning to lay us off. So basically, many once you start working, you will come to know that we are human resources mainly called as inhuman resource, not as human resource. So like the virus has created an enormous shock to the system, to everyone, to every system, business, government, communities, families, etc. While like we should as a like as a professional, I hope to pray that the shock will be short and shallow. As an professional, we always like to see variance in our variables, variance in variables, variation in whatever things we do. Think of a normal contribution. If you have studied the performance management system, you will see a bell curve in it. So bell curve is like there are some observation that there is a fall at high end, and there are some at low end and somewhere in between. So if there is no variation, it is impossible to define good from bad or high performance to low performance. And it is possible to define good from bad, effective from ineffective, successful from unsuccessful through such variations. While those observation falling into the bad, ineffective, unsuccessful represent at the best suboptimal performance and at worst abject failures. They provide a contrast with the good, effective, successful observations. Anytime we see a shock to the system, one positive outcome is that it produces variation. Now variation, as I discussed, how the bell curve works. It works on the variation. Some handle the shock effectively, others not so much. And every time we see a shock to a business, we see variation in effectiveness of HR. If you are aware, in clearly in 2000, if you have like gone through the history of HR in like when HR has developed from personal management, we saw a number of executive pay scandals, and the best CHRO rose to the become effective liaison of the to the compensation committee of the board. Following a number of public CEO succession failures, a subset of CHRO elevated their game to become a tremendously important resource for the board. After the recent cultural failure at companies like, if you're aware of the Tatas, then Uber, Welforgo, etc., the best CHRO came to the board window into the culture of the organization. In all these cases, the best increase in visibility and shown a light on the like what great looks like. The worst, while maybe may not be visible, showed CEOs and the boards they did not want. So now, like if you are aware, all of the companies, the main reason the company, like the compensation they close, yeah, the best leaders that have come out to through was उसके पीछे HR का हाथ होता ही है. It's not just के board ने decision लिया. There are very well defined guidelines, ODs, then like competency mappings if you study the competency part. So all these mixtures helps to bring out good results for the future boards. Now, see, I'm sorry again, but there we will be hearing COVID and so many words again and again, but can't help it with the situation going around. This is what we are here to hear, right? So like current situation. Now, current situation, if we see, the crisis has already transformed into an economic and labor market stock. Now, we'll talk about the how why are labor markets so important. Now, presently, if you have seen now, the cases are already reached to 8 millions, 8 lakhs, and almost a death toll of 4.5 lakhs over the world. Now the crisis has already transformed into what we call an economic and labor market shock, impacting not only supply, production of goods and services, but also demand, that is consumption and investment. Sorry. Disruption to produce initially in Asia have now spread to supply chain across the world. All business, regardless of size, are facing serious challenge, especially those in the aviation, tourism, and hospitality industry with a real threat of significant decline in revenue. Okay, the main reason you can understand, अगर हम लोग घूमना बंद करते हैं, the three most impacted industry, aviation, tourism, and hospitality. ठीक है, but there are also industry, small and medium enterprises which are suffering with big losses following the travel ban, border closures, etc. The prospect for the economy and the quantity and the quality of employment are deteriorating rapidly, while updated forecasts vary considerably and largely underestimate the situation. They all point to a significant negative impact on the global economy. Uh, Ultimately, this everything is like connected to our labor market. So all the points are moving towards it. We are not going to the finance part. Thirdly, the swift and coordinated policy response are needed at national and global level with strong multilateral leadership to limit the direct health of effects of COVID-19 on workers and their family while mitigating the indirect economic fallout across the global economy. Now, protecting workers and their family from the risk of infection needs to be a top priority for every we can say country as well as the industries they are working in or the area they are working in. Demand side measure to protect those face income losses because of the infection and reduce economy activity. Now, deeper institutional and policy reforms are also required to strengthen demand-led recovery and build resilience throughout robust and universal social protection system that can act as an automation economy and more like a social stabilizer in the face of crisis. This will also help to rebuild trust in institutions and governments. So ultimately, what are the steps government need to take for the labor market is more important because ultimately they are going to be again, like once the startup begins for all the industries which have already begun, but somehow it is still on the lower side at some areas and even in some states. But once it started with the full impact, these are the things which are needed to be taken care. Now, impacts. How will COVID-19 affect the world of work? World of work, of course. Uh, I have already told आगे भी देखेंगे कि कहाँ पे work. I'll be more talking about work from home, but in few things work from home is not possible. So for that, other mode of like SOPs may be required, and it's already in place in many of the industries as well and many of the states as well. Now, COVID-19 will be far-reaching impact on labor market outcome beyond the urgent concern about the health of the workers and their families. The virus and the subsequent economic shocks will impact the world of work across three dimensions. Now, the three dimensions are the quantity of jobs, both unemployment and underemployment, quality of work, wages, and access to social protection, effects on specific groups who are more vulnerable to adverse labor market outcomes. Now, what we see into the impact on global unemployment, underemployment, there is a big research which actually I have just now, but I will not go into the statistic. But yeah, I will give you the short statistics. Like to a significant rise in underemployment and unemployment, the wake of the virus, based on the different scenario from the impact of COVID-19 on global GDP. Okay, see, they are planning ILO, the report which I am like describing just now to you guys. The only reason is that this is a forecast. This is not final. The report which ILO gave on 2 months back that described the numbers which were so harsh. But looking at the present scenario, I think the ILO report was very much true for the present scenario. The report was given in March on March 29th, and I thought कि इतने सारे केस तो नहीं होंगे, but you not believe the cases which they gave is exactly what they predicted for 3 months after the scenario after 3 months. Underemployment is also expected to increase on large scale. As witnessed in previous crises, the shock to labor demand is likely to translate into significant downward adjustments to wages and working hours. While self-employment does not typically react the economic downturns. Uh, Actually, presently, I'm trying to what is like trying to show you the scenario. Now, what are the present practices that are going? I'll just like come to those points after this slides. Okay, लेबर सप्लाई इज डिक्लाइनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ क्वारंटाइन मेजर्स. ये सब हो रहा है, तो उसके ये सब तो जरूरत है अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए. कोई भी रिपोर्ट्स देता है तो उसके अगेंस्ट में एसओपीज या जो भी गाइडलाइंस है वो बननी चाहिए, फिर वो एक कंपनी की हो या एक स्टेट की हो या एक कंट्री की हो. तो ये गाइडलाइंस के लिए होते हैं रिपोर्ट्स. तो आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू गो थ्रू द रिपोर्ट्स फॉर यू गाइस. आई वांटेड टू पुट मोर थिंग्स, बट आई थिंक वो बहुत सारे स्टैटिस्टिक्स दे के सोना आ जाता है. तो आई ट्राई टू मेक श्योर कि आप लोग सिर्फ मेरे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट समझे. So okay, main theme was इसमें जो ही समझाना चाहता था, the labor supply is declining. लेबर कहीं जा नहीं पा रहे हैं, और जा रहे हैं तो अपने गांव चले गए हैं, फिर से आने में उनको टाइम लगेगा. तो उसके अगेंस्ट में ऑफ कोर्स who are the person who will be on the role, that would be the HR. Present I'll talk with the GSFC. GSFC में क्या चल रहा है कि GSFC में we have not been closed for not even a week. सिर्फ 3 दिन का हमने बंद रखा था. Then we were on the roll of like production को continue रखे, and that too at the 80%. We started with the 80% production and then we moved to the 100%. Though we were given proper guidelines by the government and we were working on it, but ये सब चीज ऐसी है कि जिसमें कई बार guidelines day to day change होती है, which industry cannot change its production. के बोला है कि आज आप इतने मैन पावर से काम करो, अच्छा कल 100% कर दिया और फिर से बोला कि 50% मैन पावर से काम करो. That does not work it like that. ठीक है. So guidelines has to be stable and it should be very in line with all the industries. तो आपने if you have studied the guidelines given by the government, तो वो गाइडलाइंस सब इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए बहुत सबको मर्ज करके एक में डाला था, जो हर बार पॉसिबल नहीं है फॉलो करना. Okay, we'll come to that again later on, but my main aim was that labor market, or main aim was that labor market and the like effects of the उनकी वजह से जो वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमी इफेक्ट होगी वो छोटी नहीं है. हम लेबर मार्केट जब सोचते हैं, we just think it's the migrant they are going. It's just not the migrant. Even the skilled migrants and everyone who are into the hot zone, जहाँ पे एक्चुअली ये वायरल का प्रॉब्लम है और जो लोग वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं, वो एवरीथिंग इज इंक्लूडेड. ठीक है. नाउ रोल ऑफ एचआर इन क्राइसिस मैनेजमेंट. नाउ no one alive has experienced a global crisis like coronavirus. I don't know किसी और ने किया हो, मे बी किसी के पेरेंट्स ने किया हो, बट प्रेजेंटली जो हम लोग जो भी फील्ड में हैं, इवन माय सीनियर्स who are 50 plus, no one has seen such thing taken place in their past. Personal and family health will always have priority. We all mourn with those the mourn, and we take care of our loved ones. However, with the global times out caused by the travel restriction, we हम जो पहले भी discuss किया, like restaurants, stores, looming recession, business implements, personal well-being, सब कुछ everything से लेके आप छोटी रेस्टोरेंट देख लो, everything is going to be like off. and अभी वो लोग जब when they try to start up again, it's going to be a difficult time for them. Now, what I have just tried to describe in 3 lines what the role of HR is in crisis management. Like employees are the heart of any organization. An HR opportunity is to help both the business and HR leaders to be a caregiver to the employees. Caregiving is not about creating dependency. पहली बात they should not be, but more about ensuring that employees feel cared, supported, and nurtured. When we restarted our plants, I think many of you might have seen the tunnels, like sanitizer tunnels, which like you can people were going through it or they feel ke sanitize ho rahe hain. Actually, those were just more like a moral boosting के ठीक है इसके अंदर से जाएंगे तो हम लोग को कोरोना नहीं होगा, which is actually 50-50. हो भी सकता है नहीं हो सकता, it's not 100%, but yes, we provided with the sanitizing and we made sure पहले you will not believe, but जो भी हमारी इधर chemical companies थी, the only group that were present during such lockdown were the HR, and you can say the frontline runners. So and I think you all should be proud as well, because आगे जाके आप लोग को भी ऐसे ही काम करने हैं. And obviously many are the responsibility for employee well-being, the employee being ultimately accountable, but line managers, HR professional as architects, they care for the employee. But at the same time, HR must attend to the organization setting to ensure the right culture and capabilities. Now, navigating individual needs with organization requirement balances what is right for both the employees and the organization. Navigating in sense, manager said, Bola, there were different SOPs given by the government, which were not like possible for big industries like us, Gujarat State Fertilizers, to abide by it. But we need to navigate through it. There are few things which we have to decide how we can go through it. जैसे मैंने बोला कि we were just told के 30% manpower से शुरू करो, and we just the only thing we did was we told our union कि we need to work with the 30% manpower, and they said okay, we are ready. But because if you understand, we work in an industry where manufacturing industry, you need to make sure that laborers are happy. मतलब वो 30% मैन पावर जो आएंगे उसको क्या सेफ्टी देंगे, क्या देंगे, यूनियन का वही क्वेश्चन था, व्हाट सेफ्टी एंड केयर. वी सेड दिस आर द थिंग्स लाइक प्रोवाइडिंग द सेफ्टी आइटम्स से लेके उनको सैनिटाइजर से लेके वहां पे प्लेस पे जो सोशल डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करना है उनका, जो इफ यू हैव एवर सीन अ कंट्रोल रूम जहाँ पे 5-5, 6-6 लोग एक साथ बैठते हैं डीसीएस पे, तो वहां पे वी मेड श्योर कि उनको जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट हो वो पूरी होगी. एंड 30% मैन पावर से अगर काम चल सकता है, इंडस्ट्री चल सकती है, तो दैट इज अ बिग क्वेश्चन कि 30% मैन पावर से हम लोग ने 2 महीने चला है, तो व्हाट इज इट, इतना मैन पावर जो है वो हमें चाहिए या इज जस्ट बिग क्लाउड दैट वी आर कैरिंग अराउंड अस. So these are the questions that has started coming around us as well कि okay, future recruitment हम लोग की जरूरत है या नहीं जरूरत है. In such middle of the crisis, an executive team asked, what do we want to know by all of the stakeholders as we respond to the present crisis. They listed out. This was a very well pointed question. What are the things that our stakeholders as we want from us as we go through such present crisis? So you will not believe, but people would not many will think, but they would ask for the material things or they would rate material things at the higher rate, but they just ask that caring, empathy, and nurturing. These are the 3 things that could drive us to work more hard, or we can say more not carefree, but in a with a like strength to overcome this crisis. So they were asked to review their organizing core value. They had spent much time crafting. That is कि presently ये डेव ऑल्ड्रिच ने जो भी सर्वे किया, लेकिन presently अगर ये सब इंडस्ट्रीज में भी सेम जाता है तो उन्होंने they have surveyed almost 950. You can go through David Aldrich research work for present scenarios. It's very good, and as an like आप लोग अभी भी academics में हो तो it would be a very good thing for you to learn from for the future. Uh, then do triage now and plan for the next what's next. Triage requires reacting urgently. Reacting urgently is like कि कोई भी सिचुएशन आए हैं तो वी आर नॉट स्टैंडिंग अच्छा कोई आएगा कुछ आएगा गवर्नमेंट से देन वी विल फॉलो नो. हम लोग को जैसे ही मालूम पड़ा कि ये लॉकडाउन के पहले वी फ्रॉम नो लाइक 3 days पहले से हम लोग को वी वर टोल्ड कि ऐसा होने वाला है. वी वर रेडी विद दी नो लाइक ऑल दी प्लान्स. You not believe, but GSFC just had their pay revision. Pay revision is a compensation every 4 के बाद हमारी इधर pay revision होता है. And company like GSFC, which is a public sector, could have easily said कि अभी नहीं करना है, हम लोग बाद में करते हैं. And you will not believe, but company like GSFC gave away almost 100 plus crore rupees for the pay revision rise during the lockdown. The money was given to other company. Maybe private companies might have just stopped कि नहीं अभी पैसे नहीं देने हैं, कोई भी pay revision नहीं होगा, we'll do it later on. But we knew कि ये पैसे अगर कुछ ज्यादा हुआ तो this money would help them. And company ऐसे not only a company like other Gripco, GACL, GNFC, उन लोग ने बहुत अच्छे मनी मैटर्स में उनके साथ डिसीजन बहुत अच्छे लिए थे ड्यूरिंग द क्राइसिस में. एंड what is important is that कि ऐसे टाइम में भी such companies, government companies don't look at money, they look at the human relation. So, with inevitable trials, business and HR leaders can help make sure that that things get done and done at the right time. At the same time, HR should continually plan for the what's next, envisioning a future and folding today's decision into tomorrow's aspiration. So we have, you will not believe, but we have not stopped our training session as well. We have conducted all the training. We were ready with the all the training, and not just because of this crisis, but from last I think last December we launched our Sikho Sikhao and many L3 programs which were online. So we were already online, and these things really helped us. So we never thought such scenario would exist, but we were with no, like we were ready with the module before the such crisis. So our public sector में कोई online modules होना is a very big thing. So that you would be understanding it if you know like have a good training at a some industry which is not totally government sector, and you'll come to know what I'm talking about if you can mark my points just now. So uh, try it. So uh, okay, we'll move to the next point. I'll not go into other analysis for now. Make decisions alone and enable others to become decision makers. In a crisis, how decisions are made often reflects underlying values. As an analog, we often swear in our native language. One leader recently stated, "This is a crisis. I will be I will be in charge, make decision, then broadcast decision to others." He is right and wrong. Navigation between a command and control decision model versus a coach and collaborate decision model does not have to be either or. See, navigation, what he means is that, okay, I'm as a leader, he is telling that I'll take all the decision. But sometimes decision making is not about a single person. It's about like navigating your decisions to the lowest level and again getting the feedback for the decision. Are we making a right decision? uh, for instance, I'll take just an example for it. Recently a company, I'll not name the company, but I'll just give an example of it. They decided that we should reduce our employee cost by 30%. What they decided was, uh, sorry, I got a call. They decided to decrease their employee cost by 30%. So what was the leader choice was to decrease the 30% manpower from all the levels, and we'll have a 30% cost. and you will not believe this decision was like decided with the line managers, and the line managers, after some pause, they told that we should not decrease the employee by laying off, but rather we should talk to all the units and the unions and come up with a good decision of reducing their cost for like salary cost for 30% for at least 3 months, so we can at least decrease the cost as we are like anticipating, but rather to remove the employee and उसका घर का खाना ही बंद हो जाए, ऐसा नहीं करना था. So this was a very good and a benchmark decision that was taken, and it was a company was from one of the good pharmaceutical from Ahmedabad itself. I will not name it, anyways. So these are the make decision alone and unable to other to become decision makers. The line sum ups is like, okay, at this point, no person can be a single decision maker. Even a good leader can make decisions, bad decision at such crisis. Okay. Now, what are the crucial questions to be answered by HR? Now, like there are many questions that are to be answered, but I'll just talk about communication, remote working, and prompt reporting, which is actually very much necessary for such crisis for now. Just a second. Now, in last 5 years, if you have seen, last 5 years have been very important for the technology. You have got Zoom platforms and whatnot. I mean, we are talking on Google Meet. Technology has enabled talent platforms, started accelerating the digital HR disruption, and began creating a new age where people have more control over their work. What no like more and a balance between their work and home, deciding to pick passion-driven projects or being their own boss. Just an instant, I will say, if you have someone has worked on the SAP module, it's one of the world finest module to work in now, because you can just like operate your work from anywhere in the world. Whether you are using a finance module or whether you are using a material module, HR module, then your finance, of course, then your marketing module, you can access it from anywhere in the world, and you can make your reports and everything. It's like heaven for all the people working in big industries. The only reason I'm talking about SAP because I'm working on it. I have seen many platform other than SAP as well, which are good as SAP. So I'm just giving one of the example. Now, since mid February, this is our movement, rightfully so, because the crisis put the HR function in a radar of importance, visibility, and influence. HR function has become the most sought after to their ability to control the damage, come up with like contingency plans, control the endless complexities of people management, all this while keeping the spirit of organization and togetherness intact. Now, what I'm talking about is like even after things have stopped drastically during such lockdown period, whatever the 3 months has given us, the importance of HR has come into existence. If you see, we are still, as an public sector, we are still recruiting people. I'll just go through how we are recruiting. We are just going through a drive where like everything is paperless. Social distance have been maintained. They have been called off to for the computer test, and even if they can get their laptop, they can do their test from the laptop itself. The only reason we have to call it was that we have to see the person. Public sector में एक चीज नहीं हो सकता है, वो है video calling for some reason. So even though for public sector is a win-win situation because सब online किया है, and that's a big thing. We wanted to try for the future में हम लोग आप घर से भी online कर सकते हो, वैसा करना है, लेकिन that's a big difficult point for us because anyone can easily cheat. If you can understand how आप घर बैठ के अगर ऑनलाइन टेस्ट दे रहे हो तो साइड में दूसरा मोबाइल होता है जो 8 GB रैम के साथ, जो कंप्यूटर से भी स्पीड में भागेगा, ठीक है. So Among those, like CEO, CIO, CHRO at the big multinational organization agreed that their HR team crisis response was successful to an extent in addressing three important things. Now, what are the three important things? Was communication, remote work, prompt reporting. Prompt reporting मैंने जो पिक्चर रखा है वैसी नहीं है, लेकिन इट्स अबाउट वर्किंग. इसमें मैंने थोड़ा कार्टूनिश दे दिया है. So if none done already, organization must develop a global response team and create a set of channel for communication. Uh, I'm talking about the MNCs, जहाँ पे people are still not connected. If you're aware, all companies are almost connected through the intranet, social media, emails and whatnot, and many things which we are not, like हम लोग जो सोच अभी मैं जो शायद बोल भी रहा हूँ तो उसके अगेंस्ट में बहुत सारी चीज चल रही है कनेक्शन उनके इंटरनल कम्युनिकेशन के लिए. I For instance, daily crisis reporting has been providing regular, stable, and in-time updates to employees as they worry about their future. This has also helped for clarifying their roles and responsibility currently. Also, efficient reporting capabilities using emails, SMS, internal and external social medias, and intranet have allowed the companies to pivot to meet critical needs as productivity and absenteeism shifted. Now, how to deal with the shifts? Now, shifts presently we are just पहले हमारे company में there were almost 37 shifts. Now, presently we are working on just 4 shifts. That too, just first, second, third, and mid में एक general होता है बीच में. So we are just working on those shifts. Then remote work issued. Yes, remote work. I am working from home. I was working from home till mid of April. Then I had to start going to office. But इट वाज अ वेरी इजी थिंग बिकॉज घर में आप आराम से काम भी कर सकते हो. दो आजू बाजू दूसरे डिस्ट्रक्शन बहुत होते हैं घर पे. उसके लिए आई शेयर अ गुड वीडियो हाउ यू नीड टू वर्क फ्रॉम लाइक एथिकली वर्क फ्रॉम होम. आई वुड से दैट इश्यू रिलेटेड टू जॉब्स एंड वर्क कंटिन्यूटी. यस, आपको उनको मालूम है ये काम कर रहा है तो कोई निकाले. एंड देयर आर मेनी लेस कंपनीज हु हैव लाइक रास्ता नापा है. नहीं तो किसी ने अभी तक ले ऑफ ज्यादा किए नहीं. यस, किए हैं. आई एम नॉट देयर इज अ बिग आर्ग्यूमेंट on it as well, but yeah, we'll not go into it. An urgent need for mental health, resilience, family support, and dealing with uncertainty. Mental health, of course, people are worried, especially the way the things are going just now. तो उसको कैसे कर रहे हो? We are not like हमारा जो ट्रेनिंग का मॉड्यूल है, we are like showing them videos from like yoga karo. Yeah, there are many things. I mean, there's lots of things. Yoga, then spirituality, मेंटल हेल्थ, मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए बहुत सारे वीडियोस हैं. वो वीडियोस ऐसे ऐसे लगता है कि हाँ अच्छा ये कर दिया काम हो गया, ऐसा नहीं है. लेकिन देयर आर मेनी फॉलोअप्स which are being done after training. We are using a part of Kirkpatrick model. If you are aware about what is Kirkpatrick model, that is a feedback training feedback. Then employee will get more comfortable with technology. Yes, there are people जिसने अब तक कभी भी लैपटॉप यूज नहीं किया है एंड उसने यूज किया है. आई थिंक इफ यू हैव मैं पब्लिक सेक्टर का एग्जांपल्स देता रहूंगा बिकॉज वो एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे बहुत सारी लर्निंग होती है. स्पेशली मैं तो अभी पब्लिक सेक्टर में ही हूँ. सो आप किसी भी एम्प्लॉय को जो 45 प्लस है या आई विल से 50 प्लस, 45 तो नहीं 50 प्लस, तो उनको आप पूछोगे ना कि આ કમ્પ્યુટર પર કામ કરવાનું છે, દેવ સર ના 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 મને તો કમ્પ્યુટર ફાવતું નથી, લેપટોપ તો ફાવે જ નહીં. બટ યુ વિલ નોટ બિલીવ 30% of our employees who are working from the work from home module in our company setup, they have started using laptop and इनको कोई अलग से ट्रेनिंग नहीं दी थी. it just उनको नहीं करना था वैसे. एंड दे स्टार्टेड यूजिंग देयर ओन लैपटॉप एज वेल. उसमें ही पूरा सिस्टम अपडेट करवा दिया और उन्होंने जो भी चाहिए था सर्विस वो हमारी आईटी टीम से उन्होंने ले ली एंड दे लाइक स्टार्टेड यूजिंग देयर लैपटॉप वर्क फ्रॉम होम मॉड्यूल. तो ये क्राइसिस में कुछ अच्छी चीज भी होती है. रिलेशनशिप विद टीममेट्स विल इम्प्रूव. यस, ऐसे क्राइसिस में देयर आर मेनी थिंग. मोस्ट ऑफ अस लाइक हम लोग जो काम कर रहे थे एक दूसरे के साथ एक साइड कॉलिंग पे और दूसरी साइड हमारे लैपटॉप पे हमारा काम कर रहे थे। कोई चेंजेस करने हो, कुछ स्पेशल प्रेजेंटेशन करना है, क्योंकि हमारा काम बंद नहीं हुआ था। इवन अवर नो लाइक प्लानिंग, मैन पावर प्लानिंग से लेके परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट के हमारे प्रेजेंटेशंस होते हैं। तो उसका पूरा प्लानिंग हम लोग वीडियो कॉल से घर से करते हैं। वी फाउंड इट सो नाइस, क्योंकि हम लोग बिना लड़े या बिना एक दूसरे को टोके काम कर रहे थे, जिसको जो दे कैन कीप देयर वर्ड्स एंड लाइक सब एवरीवन वाज हैप्पी वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम. वर्क विल बिकम मोर फ्लेक्सिबल. यस, वर्क बिकेम मोर फ्लेक्सिबल बिकॉज हम लोग रोज 10-11 बजे उठते थे. और ऐसा नहीं था कि रात को लेट तक मूवी देख रही, रात तक लेट तक सिर्फ काम ही करते थे. और हमारा सिस्टम इधर रहता था. वर्क फ्रॉम होम में हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट कॉल पे और लॉग इन पे रहते हैं, तो उनको मालूम होता है कि हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं. इफ एनीवन हैज सीन द टीसीएस मॉड्यूल, वहां पे कैसा होता है वर्क फ्रॉम होम का. Workspace will get neater. Yes, workspace तो neat होगा ही, because no, like no one is going to office, तो गंदा कौन कर रहा है, कोई नहीं कर रहा है. And secondly के what we came to know is that presently 20 to 25% of us don't even need offices. On a serious count, there are people like me who are always on their computer, doing like जो भी SAP login से जो भी काम करना होता है, reports से लेके presentation से लेके data analytics. I also do the data analytics for the company. तो वो सब मैं मेरा पूरा system से ही होता है. So I don't need a office. I can just sit and do whatever things I want to do anywhere in the world. uh, your company approach will change. Yeah, that's okay. Then innovation, yes. Career opportunities, yes, career opportunities बहुत बड़ी है, because we find a really need of more talented candidates, 10 months rather than just specific कोई एक रोल पे ही चाहिए. We can have people who can do more work in sense of different works. So these are the crucial questions, like we need to answer. They are small but which are necessary. Talking about, as we talked about mental health. ऐसा नहीं है, ये कोरोना का इम्पैक्ट जो है कुछ लोग के दिमाग में बहुत आई वुड नॉट से नेगेटिव खराब पड़ने वाला है, बट या पड़ने वाला है, जो आगे जाके कंपनी को या दूसरे कंपनी में अगर वो लोग जाते हैं तो वहाँ प्रॉब्लम होने वाले हैं एम्प्लॉइज को. बिकॉज इफ यू आर अवेयर, आई थिंक अहमदाबाद इज मेजरली हिट बाय इट. तो कैसे कैसी स्टोरीज आ रही है, और हमारे कुछ तो रिलेटिव्स भी है, मतलब मेरे नहीं लेकिन मेरे फ्रेंड्स के रिलेटिव्स हैं जहाँ पे दे वर एक्चुअली इन अ वेरी बैड कंडीशन. तो ये सब दिमाग पे रहता है, वो सब काम को इम्पैक्ट करता है. नाउ व्हाट वी कॉल न्यू नॉर्मल एट वर्क. न्यू नॉर्मल एट वर्क इज लाइक, हम लोग ने पहले, मैंने जैसे कहा कि हम लोग ने लास्ट दिसंबर में ही हमारा ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल लॉन्च कर दिया था, जो ऑनलाइन था, एंड विच इज एक्चुअली सेविंग कॉस्ट एज वेल. एंड वी डोंट नीड एनी स्पेस, जो अभी हम लोग कर रहे हैं. मतलब आई डोंट नीड टू कम टू अहमदाबाद. वैसे ही स्पीकर्स लोग को पहले ही हम लोग बुलाते नहीं थे, हम लोग ने स्क्रीन पे उनको रखा था विद प्रॉपर स्पेस जहाँ पे लोग आते थे. अभी लोग मोबाइल या लैपटॉप से सारे ट्रेनिंग सेशन अटेंड कर रहे हैं. सो रैंप अप ट्रेनिंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट इन रिमोट वर्किंग. तो ट्रेनिंग का मैंने ऑलरेडी कहा कि यस वी आर ऑलरेडी ऑन इट. एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट इन रिमोट वर्किंग, जिसमें कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट की जरूरत नहीं है इफ यू वांट टू वर्क, बट या किसी पे नजर रखने की ये काम कर रहा है कि नहीं, तो इन्वेस्टमेंट करने की जरूरत है. ओके, so across the globe, I'll just across the globe, companies are dealing with the COVID coronavirus pandemic by mandating or encouraging employees work from home. मैं बार बार वर्क फ्रॉम होम, बट यू नॉट बिलीव देयर इज crores of rupees which are going to be spend, I will say saved by just working from home. आपको सैलरी निकालनी है किसी, अगर आप just think you are a small business, आप 5 लोग काम कर रहे हो, जो कॉन्सेप्ट अभी का नहीं है, पहले का है, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली यू विल थिंक अच्छा मेरी एक ऑफिस होनी चाहिए, लेकिन आपको ऑफिस की जरूरत ही नहीं है. आप कहीं आपके घर में ही रूम में बैठ के 5 लोग काम कर लो, या अपने अपने रूम में बैठ के काम कर लो, तो आपके पहले तो जो ऑफिस 1 करोड़ या 2 करोड़ की आती है वही बचा ली. तो जस्ट थिंक वो आपके सेटअप के लिए है, बट जस्ट थिंक एट द इंडस्ट्रियल लेवल के, जहां मेरी कंपनी में 5,000 लोग काम कर रहे हैं, जिसमें से ऑलमोस्ट 2,000 आर दी व्हाइट कॉलर ऑफिसर्स. वर्किंग, अगर उसमें से 1000 लोग को भी मैं वर्क फ्रॉम होम का मैनेज कर सकता हूँ, तो वी just think about the cost that we are going to like save from the investment for offices for them, और उनके like ऑफिस का तो खर्चा बचा लिया है, फर्नीचर्स एंड देन स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स, स्टेशनरीज जो होती है वो सब पैसे कंपनी इज एडिंग टू द प्रॉफिट, एंड अल्टीमेटली दैट सेम savings can be utilized to give them some extra money. ठीक है, then the future of work in the future of worker well-being is future of the work in so today more than ever the future of the work in the is the future of the workers well-being. Like with the growth of the digital economy, our always on way of working, the stress of managing work-life integration and dealing with the corona assistance, ठीक है, ये सब like है, but what are the main focus के like organization are trying to deal to like increasing engine virus. So there are few of the like ways through which it has been dealt. I'll just name a few. Like curate a list of online well-being resource, podcast, exercise sessions, etc. Manager हमारा एक मॉड्यूल है जहाँ पे ये सब है, well-being resource, podcast, exercise and proper news, जहाँ पे जो news आप अभी देख रहे हो which are never filtered. I think WhatsApp news are the worst news you can hear and react on it. Maybe I'll not say सब कुछ गलत होता है, but I would say कि they are never filtered. तो वो केस में कैसा होता है, तो वी आर many न्यूज वी आर कीपिंग इन आवर मॉड्यूल्स, जहाँ पे वो लोग शॉर्ट वीडियोस होता है जहाँ पे वो एक्चुअली देख सकता है अच्छा ये वीडियो सही है कि नहीं है. Then create local solutions such as setting up an emergency response team in region of employee working zones पे होती है emergency team, हमारे यहाँ पे है. There are 4 teams which are like emergency response team. Communicate frequent reminders on your company's future programs, present scenarios. तो वो उनको मालूम होता है, तो दे आर वेरी मच क्लियर विद देयर गोल्स. आई थिंक परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट अगर आपने पढ़ा हो तो वो क्या है, it's performance management is nothing but like directing your employees to do things which the organization benchmark किया है, right, कि this is the benchmark of the organization, ये करना है, तो उसके अगेंस्ट में कास्केडिंग ऑफ गोल्स होता है. तो वैसे ही है कि कम्युनिकेट, फ्रीक्वेंटली कम्युनिकेट करो उनको, तो उनका ध्यान ज्यादा काम पे रहेगा रादर देन ऑन दी फोकस कोरोना पे ना जाए इसलिए. ठीक है, implement create an employee resource group for remote workers. Okay, remote मैंने वैसे कहा employee resource group I mean like whatever their needs are like work related, not anything else. work related remote workers के लिए उनकी कोई भी requirement हो उनको तुरंत मिलनी चाहिए. फिर कोई रिपोर्ट हो या फिर कोई लाइक स्पेशल रिक्वायरमेंट हो, जैसे कई लोग लैपटॉप कंपनी का यूज करते हैं, अपना यूज नहीं करते, तो वो लैपटॉप टूट गया है, तो वो पहले प्रोवाइड करो, नेक्स्ट डे वो टूट गया है तो नेक्स्ट डे उनको प्रोवाइड होना चाहिए. जस्ट बिकॉज उसके पास इतनी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन होगी जो उसको देनी है, फ्लोट करनी है, उसके पास रिसोर्स नहीं होगा. एंड दूसरे कोई लैपटॉप या उससे करने में लाइक द स्क्रूटिनी ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन, सिक्योरिटी ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन माइट गेट डैमेज. ठीक है, कोई वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन हो और वो ओपन फोरम में चले जाए, इट्स नॉट गुड. ठीक है, द कोरोना वायरस कैन बी एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू रीडिफाइन योर बिजनेस, ऑफ कोर्स. Now, like coronavirus pandemic fundamentally shifting how we live and do business will accelerate the fourth industrial revolution. People are talking that a fourth industrial revolution लाएगा, fueled by smart technologies such as artificial intelligence and mobile supercomputing. Now, the future workplace, like survey किया था कि by the HR leaders के what would be, like, hold on. The future workplace, how could the coronavirus virus be advantageous to your business? तो उसमें मालूम पड़ा कि रीथिंकिंग assumption regarding करंट बिजनेस प्रैक्टिस, जो करंट बिजनेस प्रैक्टिस है वो उसको रीथिंक करके आगे कैसे जाए, दैट वाज ऑन द प्रायोरिटी. सेकंड वाज द क्रॉस ट्रेनिंग एम्प्लॉइज टू ऐड न्यू स्किल्स. ठीक है, फर्स्ट था रीथिंकिंग ऑफ द करंट बिजनेस पॉलिसीज, तो पॉलिसीज में भी एचआर आ गया, और सेकेंडली क्रॉस ट्रेनिंग में भी एंड एडिंग न्यू स्किल, उसमें भी एचआर आ गया। तो वो दोनों में फर्स्ट टू प्रायोरिटी वर्क गिवन टू दी एचआर पॉइंट्स रादर देन अदर क्रिएटिंग न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विस, और वो सब लो साइड पे था, 10% 15%। ये दो एक 35% पे था और दूसरा 25% पे था। सो देन सी also like CEOs, like bold, like they need to be more bold in protecting and investing in their people. Like companies like Microsoft announced that they will keep paying the hourly workers of their like employees who are not coming to the campus due to this lockdowns. They have been paid full money. Other companies like Starbucks, Stop the Spread.org, etc., which are the totally company employee driven companies जो on field work करते हैं, not on the off field. तो वो उन लोग ने भी सेम मॉड्यूल फॉलो किया, एंड दे इवन like rethought कि हम लोग को अभी फ्यूचर में कैसे इस पे काम करना चाहिए. There will be a surge in remote working after the coronavirus. Yes, there would be a surge, but like it has to be handled with care. So in 2007, FlexJob, Global Workforce Analytics estimated. Now these are the companies जिसने future देखा था. Now the number of people working remotely increased 159% between 2005 and 2007, with a 44% rate of growth in the last 5 years. उन लोग ने already ये like जो modules था उनका चल रहा था. That was only the beginning. Remote work is here to stay. This was the statement that was given by the FlexJob and the global workplace space. Now, skill-based hiring will move from the new normal to the new normal to the normal. Now, more companies will move from hiring based on degree pedigree to hiring based on skills, and more apprenticeship job with surge. So, as I said, कि पीपल वुड नॉट थिंक कि अच्छा इसके पास ये डिग्री है मिल जाएगी, दैट वो पहले भी नहीं था, बट पीपल विड लुक फॉर स्पेसिफिक स्किल्स नाउ. फॉर मी प्रेजेंटली पीपल मैंने जैसे बोला जो जिसका बैकग्राउंड like computer engineering है, and I'm just talking about specific skills. I'm not talking कि दूसरे हायर नहीं होंगे, but जिसका बैकग्राउंड टेक्निकल है प्लस दे हैव लाइक एमबीए या कोई स्पेसिफिक स्किल बेस्ड काम किया है, भले वो बिजनेस रिलेटेड हो, उनकी डिमांड बढ़ने वाली है, एंड वो पहले भी थी, अभी और बढ़ने वाली है. एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि दूसरे जो है लाइक किसी ने चार्टर अकाउंटेंट किया है या उनको, लेकिन इफ दे ऐड टू देयर कोई सॉफ्टवेयर ट्रेनिंग और समथिंग विच इज वेरी मच नीडेड नाउ, अभी जो जैसे ये लोग बोल रहे हैं कि विल मूव टू दी ऑनलाइन जॉब्स, तो स्पेशल कोर्स ट्रेनिंग्स की रिक्वायरमेंट रहेगी, जो हमारी इधर कंट्री में बहुत कम है कंपेयर टू अदर वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज, जहाँ पे स्पेसिफिक स्किल जैसे एनालिटिक्स बोला तो एक स्पेशल डेटा एनालिटिक्स का प्रोग्राम है मतलब इट्स प्रोग्राम इज लाइक 1 साल का. हमारे इधर आता है 6 महीने का, 5 महीने का, अभी सब शुरू हुए धीरे धीरे, बट यहाँ पे इट हैज बीन देयर सिंस एजेस. ये कॉन्सेप्ट जो कॉन्सेप्ट अभी इंडिया में भी पीपल विल लाइक टू हैव. Learning will be radically transformed. Yes, the new normal of working will drive new ways to learn online. Research, I think आप में I don't know, मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला, लेकिन I think I'm so sure कि आप जो स्टूडेंट्स हो उन लोग ने ऑलमोस्ट 5 से 6 या 7 ई लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स कर दिए होंगे जो पहले आपने कभी नहीं किए होगा. I'm so sure. So that was like before the coronavirus, this estimate will increase as companies have no choice but to launch a radical transformation of corporate learning. Now, if you know the like companies like Walmart, Best Western Hotels, is partnering with Motion to use virtual reality to train front desk clerks in problem solving skills. So these are this will be example है, लेकिन I'll just not go through it. Uh, Organization will double down on reskilling workers. Now, while some organization like Amazon, SAP, Walmart, AT&T, PwCs, etc., like Guardian Insurance, yes, it's a good example, have already like announced plans to reskill large segment of their workforce. The challenge for more companies will will be to go beyond designing one-off training programs. This challenge will be like much bigger than any one program. के कोई एक program में से like just one एक program ये कर लिया हो गया, ऐसा नहीं है. Instead, company will create an ecosystem devoted to creating an like artificial intelligence powered skill inventory. कि कौन से प्रोग्राम ने किया है तो उसके अगेंस्ट में क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट और रहेगी. मतलब आपने एक्सेल किया है तो एक्सेल में एडवांस एक्सेल आ गया. अच्छा, एडवांस एक्सेल में डबल एडवांस भी आता है जिसमें आप माइक्रो मैक्रोज और लाइक क्रिएटिंग पूरा एक कैलकुलेटर डिजाइन करने में आप उसको कर सकते हो, इतने एडवांस हो सकते हो. लाइक क्रिएटिंग योर ओन सिस्टम इन एन एक्सेल शीट इटसेल्फ. So, like artificial intelligence powered skill inventory, reskilling and exploring new private partnership with traditional and non-traditional institution of learning as well as ed tech startups. So, see, there are n number of things which we presently we can do. Lekin training and work from home would be on priority for all the MNCs. ठीक है, ऑफिस की जरूरत है, नहीं जरूरत ऐसा नहीं है. But this is what all the organization are planning and actually they have already implemented. You will not believe, but public sector like us are also now into the ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग. ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग मतलब सिर्फ हम जो कर रहे हैं वो नहीं है. देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स, जैसे मैंने पॉडकास्ट और वो सब का एग्जांपल दिया. दैट आर द स्मॉल थिंग्स. उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे हैं. तो so I'll just like conclude on respond, recover, and restore. That is what are the things that are to be reviewed are the HR policies and practices. Now company need to assess their overall HR policies, HR and procedures. जैसे मैंने कहा the shift timings जो जरूरत नहीं है, पहले जो जरूरत थी we had 37 shift timings which have now just down numbered to 6. अगर ये पहले करते तो already efficient होता. तो we need to think on the policies that are presently going on. If the companies do not have business continuity plan to deal with such exigencies, they should be taken a serious reminder to put. Then COVID is one of the things which will like have a serious reminder to put on one place. It is a critical for organization to strictly adhere to the restrictions and guidance provided that the local authorities and ensure that they are suitably incorporated and communicate to the employees. Now critical like strict adhere to the restriction and guidance. Okay, वो phase निकल गया है, लेकिन अभी भी there are few things which we need to take care of, right? जैसे ही पहले वीडियो में देखा मैंने क्या क्या जरूरत थी. I'll not go into that medical SOPs. Business continuity plan. The seriousness and uncertainty surrounding the COVID outbreak has exposed the vulnerability of business like never before. मतलब कोई भी business देख लो जिसका who are not connected through the system, जो ऑन फील्ड ही रहना पसंद करते थे, उनको भी मालूम पड़ा है कि पहले जो फोन पे काम करते थे और या ऑनलाइन हो सकता था उसको क्यों हम लोग ऑन फील्ड जाके खत्म काम कर रहे थे. तो now in the time of organization to review the efficacy of the business continuity plan, the first step is to identify the mission critical operations and business functions. ठीक है. Now communicable disease instance requires special consideration than common catastrophes. ठीक है. these are the like business continuity plan के लिए, as I said, कि आपको आप क्या अभी जो present scenario है उसके साथ आगे कैसे जाना चाहते हो. अगर वो आपके पास नहीं है, यू आर गोइंग डाउन अगेन, और आगे जाके ऐसा और कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आएगा. ऐसा ऑलरेडी आप बहुत सारी कंपनीज है जो डाउन हो ही चुकी है फॉर दिस रीजन, बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव द कंटिन्यूटी प्लान एंड दे जस्ट वांट टू फॉलो द ओल्ड एज थिंग्स दे वर डूइंग. स्पेशली इफ यू आर अवेयर, द सूरत में जो भी है बिजनेस लाइक गारमेंट बिजनेस एंड एवरीथिंग, दे आर actually very down. The only reason is they are not ready to abide by the old like नया change क्या करे और क्या करना चाहिए. The only reason is I am telling is because my family belong to that garment and they are not ready to accept the change. Not my family but the overall people who are working into that industry. So that is one of the examples. Then employee health and well-being, as हम लोग ने पहले ही डिस्कस किया कि yes, employee health is important. तो उसके लिए जो बहुत सारे वो प्रॉपरली मैच करने चाहिए। वेलबींग में भी हम लोग ने बहुत सारी डिस्कस की, पर्सनल हाइजीन में, इवन ऑल एट वर्क प्लेसेस में जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट चाहिए दैट शुड बी ऑन दी प्रायोरिटी। इंश्योरेंस प्लान फॉर एम्प्लॉयज, इंश्योरेंस प्लान फॉर एम्प्लॉय, यस ऑल गुड कंपनीज का ऑलरेडी इंश्योरेंस प्लान होता ही है, बट दिस इज माय रिकमेंडेशन, कई 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 प्लान्स में बहुत सारे में कोविड कवर्ड नहीं है, तो दैट हैज टू बी अपडेटेड, जो नहीं है प्रेजेंटली, नहीं है बहुत सारी कंपनी इंक्लूडिंग अस। एम्प्लॉय कम्युनिकेशन एंड चेंज मैनेजमेंट हम लोग ने डिस्कस किया, हाउ वी नीड टू अपग्रेड आवर सेल्फ फ्रॉम like present communication, previous communications to present what requirements, and change management, that is decision making. Decision making should not be from a single leader, because the single bad decision can lead to a very big devastation. जैसे मैंने 30% मैन पावर कट के अगेंस्ट में 30% सैलरी ऑफ ऑल एम्प्लॉय का डिसीजन कैसे आया, वो मैंने डिस्कस किया था। रिमोट वर्किंग, एम्प्लॉय प्रोडक्टिविटी एंड एंगेजमेंट, रिमोट वर्किंग में मैंने डिस्कस किया कि व्हाट आर द प्लेटफॉर्म पीपल आर वर्किंग ऑन, व्हाट आर द सिस्टम दे नीड टू अपडेट themselves with. मैंने I just told you guys in my previous slides that SAP is one of the best, because वो वर्क फ्रॉम होम भी कर सकते हैं। यस, देयर आर डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म जो कर सकते हैं, लेकिन वो सिस्टम जब आपका लैपटॉप कनेक्ट होता है आपके सर्वर के साथ, दूसरे जो सिस्टम दूसरी है, वो जब करेक्ट होता है तब वो चेंजेस लेता है। लेकिन SAP में व्हेन यू अपडेट फ्रॉम हियर इटसेल्फ, मैं अभी घर से मैं कुछ अपडेट वहां से करता हूँ, वो सिस्टम तुरंत ले लेगा गोइंग थ्रू माई सर्वर। So this is one of the example कि हम we need to be updated with the present engagement activities। जैसे मैंने कहा कि there are training modules, or there is a whole GSFC module जहाँ पे people can go see the podcast news, present what are the engagement activities, कौन सी ऑनलाइन चल रही है, वो लोग अंदर जा भी सकते हैं। there are online games for them। परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट एंड कंपेंसेशन एंड रिवॉर्ड, ये परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट के ये टाइम पे भी अगर कोई एम्प्लॉय आपको हेल्प कर रहा है तो मेक श्योर, क्योंकि अगर कभी भी कुछ काटने का होता है कोई भी कंपनी में, तो दे विल फर्स्ट अटैक योर वेरिएबल पे, इफ यू आर अवेयर वेरिएबल पे। सो परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट एंड कंपेंसेशन at this time is very much necessary। सो मेक श्योर कि अगर परफॉर्मेंस बेस पे आप कुछ काट रहे हो तो पूरा मत काटो, कट पार्टली कट करो, या लाइक कंपनीज, अब हमारी कंपनी ने पूरा कंपेंसेशन, उनको जो भी परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट है वो भी पूरा पे किया है विदाउट कटिंग सिंगल पेनी। ऐसा नहीं है कि कंपनी स्टेबल है इसलिए, बट जस्ट टू मेक श्योर कि कोई भी एम्प्लॉय अभी कंपनी छोड़ के यहाँ से ना जाए एट दिस स्टेज, बिकॉज सब लोग को ऐसा लग रहा है जॉब मार्केट में नहीं है, जॉब मार्केट में बहुत है, और स्पेशली पीपल हु आर स्किल्ड एंड अपडेटेड विद द प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो, you will always get a job. Okay, so they understand the importance of each and every employee and people who are working with the company, क्योंकि the reason I'm saying this because यहाँ पे हमारी कंपनी में प्रेजेंटली जो भी काम करता है वो गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट या उससे नीचे नहीं होते हैं। सो ऐसा नहीं है, दूसरे भी लोग होते हैं, लेकिन ऐसे टैलेंट की वैल्यू होती है कंपनी में। तो एट दिस टाइम उनको कैसे मैनेज करते हैं थ्रू परफॉर्मेंस, through like other engagement activities, through their health care and through insurance plans, well-beings, proper policies उनके लिए। तो दिस ऑल सम अप्स के HR कहाँ, कोई भी बिजनेस हो, कोई भी सेक्टर हो, HR का ये जो मैंने कंक्लूजन मार्क्स किए हैं वो काम लगने ही वाले हैं। दिस आर द पॉइंट्स व्हिच आर नीड टू बी मैनेज्ड बाय द कंपनी during such crisis। So I just wanted to share a small video on the like how work from home looks like and what you need to do.
How do you work from home in an efficient and successful manner? Project manager Maria is planning to work from home for the time being in order to help support containing the coronavirus. But how can she best go about this? Her colleague Kim knows and explains to her, a successful day working from home starts with putting on your clothes. You should replace pajamas and bathrobe with those clothes you would also wear for work. The psychological effect is creating a work attitude of concentration. The workplace is also important for enhancing concentration. Kim is recommending to use a dedicated room with lots of daylight. A closed door with the sign saying, "Do not disturb," helps with avoiding getting distracted. The workspace itself should be in a different place from where you usually relax. Using a clean and tidy desk will help you concentrate. Apart from that, Kim's recommendation to Maria includes adopting regular working hours and regular times for breaks. Even if she works from home, she should have a 1-hour lunch break. And the important thing is that Maria then really takes a break and does not endeavor to do the washing up. To-do lists can help with organizing your work. Maria should always start with jobs that are not clear-cut, not pleasant, or complicated. After that, she can handle routine jobs. In order to avoid distractions, Kim recommends to avoid any private contact with friends and family during working hours. In case this is not possible, the recommendation is to reserve certain fixed time slots for those contacts. Contact needs to be maintained with clients and colleagues, obviously. Therefore, Maria will redirect all calls to her number, or maybe inform them of her new contact details. Kim also recommends to conduct meetings via video conference, which may be more efficient than meeting in person. Maria is glad. She feels very well prepared now. She will be able to work reliably and efficiently from home until the coronavirus danger is over. Do you also want to contribute to encouraging more people to work from home? Share this clip and so do your part in helping to contain the coronavirus.
So thank you, Mr. Chintan. I hope students got more idea about work from home, as well as the difference between how public sector companies and private sector companies do have their
I
uh,
would like to make a point
policies.
that presently no public or private sector are working differently, but the situation has brought everyone in such a point. There is it hardly matters how you're working just now. Yes, physical form is not possible, but yeah, phone communication was already prevailing. But there are few things which have changed the public sectors working.
Yeah. So, first of all, I would like to request our head of the department, Dr. Anu Gupta, to say something to you. Anu, ma'am, over to you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. I, on the behalf of entire CPMR fraternity, thank you so much for acknowledging us with so many, nitties and gritties of HR, specifically in the COVID-19, whether it was 3R, that is recover, restore, and respond, or whether it was caring, nurturing, or empathy. I am very sure it will give a long way to the students. And the best part, which I really liked about the company, and congratulate to you because you have actually redefined the business. GFC was the way the business was being done. I mean, digitalization in the public sector is a great challenging task. And as you have said, training and development, and with digital excellence we may redefine the HR into the new model, basically into the contingency and the competency mapping, and PMS and training will go a long way ahead. I'm very sure, sir, these takeaways would help the students and as a faculty to us also to for a great career ahead and a promising way of looking at the challenges which COVID may pose in the future also. I thank Chandi ma'am also to bring you over here. And now, because you are in the board, I am very sure we will be encashing upon this and we will always be open to you for learning in the future
Yes.
also. Thank you so much, sir.
Sure. Yes. Thank you.
So, thank you, sir. Again, our entire HR team did so much effort to have this HR webinar. So, thank you, everyone. Just if any student wants to say something or any question. You may post your question in the chat box. So, sir, I
So
hope.
it's very difficult to
Yes,
very
yes.
difficult to get so much data, like so much data on online and making it through presentation. So I really love interacting directly rather than like such calls.
Huh.
But maybe in future, yeah, because I no Chani, yes, you said I wanted to interact more rather than like going through my presentation. But I just wanted to make few points which are through presentation and few reports which I wanted them to, but then I cut short the data, analytical data.
No, no, no.
Then I
It's
got
okay.
into
Like,
the
it's okay.
yeah,
As students had the idea, like, and again, we do understand again some limitation of these online platforms too. So, but
yeah,
again, it was a nice session from your end. Thank you very much. Thank you,
yes,
Anu ma'am.
Thank you.
sure, sure.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Thank you,
Yeah,
thank you, ma'am.
thank you. Okay.